If you try to install Windows 11 on non-supported hardware, you'll soon arrive at this message. Since the pre-release versions of the operating system became available, there have been many successful attempts to overcome this problem. So, for example, you could start the installs we've done here and then press Shift F10 to open up a command prompt and then type regedit to enter the registry editor. Next, we need to navigate to HKey Local Machine System and Setup, and then right-click to create a new key, which we'll call LabConfig. Next, in LabConfig, we need to create a new 32-bit DWORD, which we're going to call BypassTPMCheck, like that, and then if we right-click that, we can set a value for it, which is going to be 1. Next, back in LabConfig, we want to set 2 more new DWORD values, like this. One for BypassRAMCheck, and again we'll set the value to 1. And finally, BypassSecureBootCheck, and again we'll set the value to 1. Having done this, we can then close the registry editor and we can exit from the command prompt like that. And then if we go back in the installer like that, continue the install, I'm doing install without a product key, we should then find we can continue to install Windows 11 on non-supported hardware. Now, it's very important to stress that whilst implementing such registry hacks or any similar workaround can make you feel very smug indeed, what we're actually experimenting with here is a pre-release version of Windows 11. So far, nobody, maybe not even Microsoft, has got a final version of Windows 11 to install, and therefore nobody can reliably report that they found a way to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Hacks like those I've just shown you should therefore only be used to assist with temporary Windows 11 installs for test purposes. To be clear, do not use registry hacks or similar workarounds to install Windows 11 if you want to be certain that the operating system will continue to run on your system after the final release date.